What if I told you you could get a 66% discount on ClickFunnels? Not only that, you'll get lifetime access to a 10-day challenge that's valued at over $11,000. Now, if you join the One Funnel Away challenge today, this is all possible, and I'll show you how. Okay, now if you join the One Funnel Away challenge, you'll unlock the lowest price of ClickFunnels for the next 3 months, and you'll get so many amazing freebies. Now, click the link in my bio to get access to the One Funnel Away sign up page. And if you fill out this form, you'll also get access to my free opt-in funnel that you can download into your account so you can start generating leads for your business. And I'm in the process of creating over 100 ClickFunnels templates for free for you if you click the link in my description and fill out this form. Okay, so now you might be asking, how can you get ClickFunnels for just $33 per month for the next 3 months? So this is the One Funnel Away challenge, and it's a 10-day challenge where they teach you how to start your own online business, how to build your own sales funnels, how to drive traffic to them, and start making money online. Now, I took this One Funnel Away challenge back in 2020, and it really kickstarted my own entrepreneurial journey. Okay, so I highly recommend this challenge. Now it's $100, and I paid $100 back in 2020, and in 2024 it's still $100. And if you join, you'll get 90 days. That's 3 full months of ClickFunnels. Now, if you think about it, ClickFunnels is $97 per month. But if you join the One Funnel Away challenge, you'll get 3 months for only $100 only. Now, aside from that, you'll get lifetime access to the One Funnel Away challenge. It's a 10-day challenge, and it's divided by 2 different paths, the e-com path and the experts path. And I'll log into my account to show you both of these in a moment. And I think the most valuable thing about the One Funnel Away challenge are the live weekly calls with Trey, a very successful e-com expert, and Russell Brunson. Now, every single week, you'll get at least 2 live calls where you'll join with other people who are part of the challenge, and you can ask your questions and they will be able to answer them for you. So if you have questions about how to set up a funnel, or maybe what types of products to sell for your first online business, you can ask them in these live weekly calls. And what's also great is that they added a free bonus to get access to the Fill Your Funnel Challenge, which is essentially a course that teaches you how to drive traffic to your sales funnels so you can start getting leads and start selling your products and services online. Now, you might be asking, okay, this is all great, but what exactly is the One Funnel Away challenge and how does it look like? So this is my account. And the One Funnel Away challenge is divided into the expert edition and the e-com edition. So on day 1 of the expert path, Russell Brunson introduces the challenge, and he really wants to get your mindset right for the next 10 days. And then it's really fast paced. He goes into offer hacking on the second day, which is essentially looking at other competitors and brainstorming offers that you can sell for your own business. And then he teaches you how to build your offer inside ClickFunnels. He even teaches you how to create a webinar where you can sell your products and services, how to build out the video sales letter page to sign up people for the webinar, how to build the order form, how to build a membership site, and also how to drive traffic on the last day. And you'll also get access to all of the live call replays, even the ones that have happened in the past. Now, for the e-com path, this one is really good as well because they actually added an advanced path as well. So you'll start with the beginner path where Trey Llewellyn will teach you how to start off with one product, understanding the psychology of selling physical products, how to build a sales page, how to price your products, and so forth. And after you graduate the beginner path, you'll advance to the advanced path where they go even deeper. And yes, you do get access to all of the previous live calls and future live calls as well. So if you are looking to finally launch your business in 2024 and beyond, I highly recommend the One Funnel Away challenge. It's $100 and you'll get access to ClickFunnels for 3 full months. And again, it's $97 per month on their website. So this is definitely a steal. Now, if you want even more freebies, I highly recommend you click the other link in my description to unlock either of these 2 advanced packages. Okay, so I actually upgraded to this standard package where it's 12 months of ClickFunnels Pro, You'll also get 12 months of ClickFunnels Classic. You'll get the Funnel Builder Secrets full course, Traffic Secrets course, the swipe file where you can download templates into your account, Secrets Trilogy Platinum, and Guru Lifetime Access. Now you might be thinking $2,000 is expensive, but let's do the calculation, okay? So 1997 divided by 12 is $166, okay, for ClickFunnels Pro per month. Now, if you go to the sales page, it's $297 per month. That's almost $300 per month if you get it on their website versus $166 per month if you get it from the link in my description. Now, again, I did get this and I highly recommend you get this as well if you're interested in these bonuses. You can also get this one, the Funnel Builder certification, where you'll have ClickFunnels employees teach you how to become an expert funnel builder, and you'll become certified in funnel building, and you'll get an amazing, cool looking plaque delivered to your home. And you'll also get all of these bonuses as well for $10,000 if you're interested in really going all in. So go ahead and click the link in my description, fill out this form to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, and then I will send this opt-in funnel completely free once you sign up. And as I build out additional ClickFunnels templates, I will send them over to you for free as well. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, hit that like button for me and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.